Looking unto Jesus. Diha sa Hebrews chapter 12 verse 2, nagingon igsoon, looking into Jesus, the author and finisher of our faith. There are moments in life nga murag kapoy nakaayo mo padayon, not just physically but spiritually. Kapoy ang pagtuo, kapoy paglaom, kapoy nga mo padayon. Nag-ampo ka but the answer seems delayed, no? You obey but the struggle doesn't stop, and you serve but sometimes you feel unseen. And in those moments, Hebrews 12:2 whispers something simple but yet powerful. Looking into Jesus. Not looking at the problem, not looking at the people, not even looking at yourself, but looking into Jesus. Faith is sustained by focus, igsoon. Sa atong adlaw-adlaw nga kinabuhi, daghan kaayo og distractions. Social media, expectations, failures, past mistakes, even church work can distract us from Christ Himself. Mao nang wala nag-ingon ang verse, looking into your strength or looking into your consistency. Ang verse nag-ingon nga looking into Jesus. Kay ang pagtuo wala nimo gikuptan pinaagi sa kusog, ginabuhat ni siya pinaagi sa pag-focus. Kung asa ka mo tan-aw, didto ka padulong. Kung sige kag tan-aw sa imong kakulang, faith weakens. Kung sige kag tan-aw sa imong kasakit, hope fades. Pero kung sige kag tan-aw kang Hesus, faith breathes again. Jesus is the author of your faith, igsoon. Kini nga verse nagkanayon, the author and finisher of our faith. Si Jesus ang author, nagmugna, meaning He started your faith story. Dili ikaw, dili ang imong parents, dili ang imong pastor. It was Jesus who first called you. Jesus who first convicted you. Jesus who first loved you even before loved Him back. So kung usahay makaunahuna ka, Lord, wala na ko'y pagtuo nimo. Remember, you are not carrying your faith alone. Ang author sa imong story, sa imong kinabuhi, dili mawala sa tunga-tunga sa iyang sinulat. Jesus is also the finisher. Daghan ta og nindot nga pagsugod pero lisod kaayo ang paghuman. We start strong but life hits hard. Pero ang verse nag-ingon mga igsoon og nag-assures us, ang nagsugod sa imong pagtuo siya sab ang muhuman. Kung naa kay fear nga basin di ka makalahutay, basin mubalik ka sa daan nimong pagkinabuhi, basin mapulan ka, this verse tells you your ending is not dependent on your endurance alone, but on His faithfulness. Kung ikaw kapoy na, He is not. Kung ikaw mahugno, He still stands. For the joy set before Him. This part is powerful. Who for the joy that was set before Him endured the cross. The cross was painful. The shame was real. The suffering was brutal. Yet Jesus endured because of joy. Unsa man tong joy? Not comfort, not applause, not an easy path. The joy was obedience to the Father and redemption for humanity, including natong tanan, igsoon. Ikaw, ako. So kung ikaw nag-antos karon, maybe God is not punishing you, maybe He is preparing joy on the other side of obedience. Usahay dili nato makita ang joy now, pero faith believes before it sees. Despising the shame, igsoon. Jesus did not deny the shame. He despised it. Meaning, He refused to let shame define Him. He chose purpose over public opinion. Daghan nato ang nagpugos og hunong tungod sa kaulaw sa past, sa failure, sa judgment sa uban, but Jesus shows us shame does not get to final stay. Purpose does. Kung si Jesus, Ginoong Hesus, yung mga igsoon, has called you, ayaw tuguti nga ang kaulaw sa kagahapon mabugong sa imong pagsunod karon. He is seated at the right hand. This verse ends with victory. After the cross, after the pain, After the endurance, Jesus sat down, meaning the work was finished. Authority was restored, victory was secured. So kung ikaw nagpadayon sa imong race, remember, you are running from a place of victory, not for victory. If today you feel tired, discouraged, or uncertain, igsoon, this is not the time to quit. This is the time to fix your eyes again. Tan-awa pag-usab si Jesus. Ang author nga wala kabiyai sukad-sukad. The finisher nga dili kapasagdan sa tunga-tunga sa problema. Padayon, breath, look into Jesus. Kung naa siya sa imong pananaw, bisan unsa pa kalisod ang dalan, faith will endure. Dumduma na igsoon. Gipangga ka, gimahal ka, giamuma ka sa atong buntong manluluwas. Laing adlaw, laing pagkinabuhi. Maing adlaw, igsoon.